Whether you're a person faced with a civil legal issue or a criminal issue, it's useful to know some basic information about how legal assistance is delivered in Turkey and how to retain a lawyer. If you have a legal matter or dispute, a lawyer can help settle it through any of the following services: providing legal counseling or advice, filing a lawsuit, or representing your case at the court. Before you retain a lawyer, you should make sure that he or she has a license. You can verify the legal status of a lawyer through the Bar Association website by adding their name, last name, and the license number. Although not required, you should execute a written contract with the lawyer, outlining the terms of representation or services. And always remember that non-Turkish lawyers from foreign countries, even if qualified in their home countries, cannot practice law in Turkey. Lawyers in Turkey are entitled to a fee for their services. You may negotiate a rate that is higher than the minimum in the fee scale. Remember that in addition to the lawyer's fees, you are responsible for paying application fees, notary fees, where necessary, expert or witness fees, and if agreed in the contract, travel costs of the lawyer. Also note that if you lose a case brought against another individual, you will be responsible for covering the opposing party's litigation costs and lawyer's fees. If you can't afford the fees, you can apply for the legal aid program called Adli Yardım in Turkish. To request legal aid, you must approach the Bar Association in person, which is the professional association of lawyers in a province. They will assess your eligibility for legal aid based on your case, whether it is likely to succeed or not, and on your financial situation. You may be required to submit documentary evidence such as a poverty certificate issued by the Mukhtar. Or you may also contact civil society organizations, which can provide information to assist you and send a referral to the Bar Association. Legal aid can cover the following areas: personal and family law, employment law, legal actions against administrative acts and actions, insolvency and bankruptcy law. Legal aid may also cover issues arising under the law on foreigners and international protection. For example, appeals against decisions on international protection applications, deportation orders, administrative detention, or residence permits. So whether you hire your own lawyer or are assigned one under legal aid, the lawyer has the same responsibilities. He or she should protect your confidential information, keep your documents safe, follow the job through its completion, avoid conflicts of interest, explain and communicate the case information, and promote your best interest. This video is solely for informational purposes, produced by nonprofit Refugee Solidarity Network in partnership with Refugee Rights Turkey.